Hey guys, welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit. Nicole Andrews here. So it's your one-stop shop for healthy recipes, anti-aging tips, and of course powerful workouts like this one. This is day 14 and we are on our challenge to get sexy abs in 30 days. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling the love even after the birthday yesterday. So we have 12 exercises today for 30 seconds each with very few breaks in between. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start on our back. So find your cozy spot and 12 different exercises, 30 seconds each. Just follow along with me. So we're going to start lying on our back and we'll start the timer now. So just bring one knee in and the other one and start to alternate and really start to activate your core, and then start to bring your chin up, your head up, chin away from your chest, and just start to really activate. You can go as fast or as slow as you need to go because we have 10 seconds, and then we're just switching legs. So we're going to extend our leg up to the ceiling. Alternating legs here, it's going to look like this. So really pull, and you almost get like a little hamstring stretch too, which is really nice. So if this hurts your neck and you just want to go with your lower abs, that's fine. Otherwise, level 2 and 3, kick it up into high gear and really reach as high as you can, pointing your toes, going as fast or as slow as you need to go. We have 10 seconds left. So try to bust through these as fast as you can. We have scissor legs up and down. So it's gonna look like this. Take your hands below your hips and start to scissor, scissor, scissor all the way down. Engage your core. Think belly to spine, and then all the way back up. Pointing your toes. Keep breathing, sending oxygen. Don't let your feet drop. And again, I like to really put my hands under my hips so that my lower back stays flush to the ground. And make sure you go all the way up and all the way down. We have 3 seconds. Keep it going. Keep breathing. Next one, we're going to static hold scissor flutters. So the flutters are going to look like this. So again, you can keep your chin up, head down, or head up. But whatever you do, don't puff out. Don't puff out that belly. Suck it in. So if you have to readjust, but we have 10 seconds. So really burn out those abs. Keep breathing. Good job. Awesome. So hips side to side. So move your hips to the side and we're just gonna crunch in and then extend the top leg out. Flex the feet this time. And so move, this is an easy one to overdo it with your neck. So just fingertips behind your head so that you know you're working both upper and lower. This one's also obliques. We have 5 seconds here and we're just gonna rock to the other side. Doing awesome. So just flip it around to the other hip. Top leg goes out and comes in on the crunch. So extend out as your head goes down and then crunch up as your knee comes in. Really engage those abs, guys. Flex that top foot and go as fast or as slow as you want to go in order to challenge yourself. If you're not feeling the burn, either pick it up in terms of pace or make it harder. So from here, we're gonna go with the corkscrew, knees in and out. So bring your knees in and then out, hips, hands under hips. So for this one, I'm gonna take that off because that really hurt. And then we bring your knees up and in, and again, you can keep your, if this doesn't bother your neck and you wanna engage those upper abs, that's good, but corkscrew switches. Whew, those were not easy. Switch it around to a forearm plank. So from here, be in your forearm plank, elbows under shoulders. You're on the balls of your feet. And for level 1, you could stay there. Level 2 and 3, you're gonna take the balls of your feet and just start to tap. But don't come out of that forearm plank. Okay? So keep it going, 3 more seconds. You have to really engage when you're moving those feet. This one, we're gonna stay on the forearm plank, but your butt's gonna go up and down. So little dolphin push-ups here. We had these just a few days ago with positive and negatives, and now we're doing singles. Only 15 more seconds. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Suck it all the way in. I'm on the balls of my feet right now, using my core. And now from here, we're gonna take the starfish plank hold. So come to your hands, feet out wide. And now opposite hand and opposite leg. Try to hold it here for as long as you can. 2 more seconds, and we're gonna switch. There we go. And come back to the other side. These aren't easy. Wait about 10 seconds. You can do it. Hold it as long as you can. Good job. And now, come to your bum and hands behind you, fingers pointed toward the toes, flex your feet, and you're going to do paddle boats. So as fast or slow, but your feet are flexed this time. And try to really bring the knees in without using momentum of your body. So maybe come to the fingertips. Think about belly button to spine, because you only have 5 seconds left. So really push that paddle boat. Good, last one. On your back, guys. Starfish Tapper. So just like we did before, but now we're on our back. So you're in like a V shape with your arms and your legs. And try to reach up for the side of your foot as much as you can. Get that crunch and come all the way down. 10 seconds. Give it that last push. Good job. How about that? I don't know about you guys, but every single day for 6 minutes, these ab exercises are so good to come back to. And I just want to thank you for joining me, because I'm definitely seeing the benefits. I hope you are too. And we have so much more coming. Get your water. I'm dehydrated. So drink enough water. Pop in our Facebook, Eternity Warrior Transformation Group. So check that out. And we'll see you tomorrow.